Ever stared at your Acuity scheduling calendar? Those dreaded grayed-out days staring back at you, making you feel like your business is stuck in a time warp? Those days you meant to open up, but somehow they're still blocked? Maybe you were on vacation or had a sudden schedule change, or perhaps just maybe you clicked something you shouldn't have. If you've ever felt that pang of panic, wondering, how on earth do I unblock these days on Acuity? Then you're in the right place. Let's face it, Acuity is a powerful tool. It's designed to streamline your scheduling, but like any sophisticated system, it can sometimes feel like you're navigating a maze. And those block days, they're like little roadblocks on your business highway, preventing potential clients from booking your services. Imagine this. A client, eager to book a session with you, finally finds a slot that fits their schedule, only to be met with the dreaded unavailable message. Frustration sets in, they might look elsewhere, and you've potentially lost a booking. Not ideal, right? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of unblocking those dates, let's understand why they might be blocked in the first place. Acuity offers a variety of ways to manage your availability, and sometimes, these settings can inadvertently lead to block days. First, there's the simple manual block. You might have intentionally blocked a day for personal reasons, or perhaps you were adjusting your availability and accidentally blocked more than you intended. This is the most common reason and thankfully the easiest to fix. Then, there are recurring availability settings. If you've set up recurring blocks for specific days or times, these can persist until you manually change them. So, if you blocked off every Monday for a month, those Mondays will remain blocked until you remove the recurring setting. Another common culprit is the appointment type availability settings. Each appointment type you create in Acuity has its own availability parameters. If you've inadvertently set a specific appointment type to be unavailable on certain days, those days will appear blocked when clients try to book that particular service. And let's not forget about calendar syncing. If you've synced your Acuity calendar with an external calendar, like Google Calendar or Outlook, events marked as busy in your external calendar can translate into blocked slots in Acuity. This is especially true if you've configured the sync to automatically block time based on your external calendar events. Finally, there are the days off settings. Acuity allows you to mark specific days as days off, which effectively blocks them from being booked. This is useful for holidays or plan breaks, but if you forget to remove these settings, those days will remain blocked. So, now that we understand the potential causes, let's get down to the business of unblocking those dates. The process is straightforward, but it requires careful attention to detail. First, you'll need to log into your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're in, navigate to the Availability section. This is your command center for all things related to your schedule. Within the Availability section, you'll see a calendar view. This calendar displays your current availability, with block days typically appearing in gray. Click on the day you want to unblock. If the day was manually blocked, you'll see a pop-up window with the option to unblock day. Simply click this button, and the day will immediately become available for booking. It's that easy. Now, if the day is blocked due to recurring availability settings, you'll need to delve a bit deeper. Look for the Recurring Availability section within the Availability settings. Here, you'll see a list of your recurring availability rules. Find the rule that's causing the block, and either edit it to remove the specific day or delete the rule altogether. Remember to save your changes. If the block is related to appointment type availability, you'll need to go to the Appointment Types section. Select the appointment type that's causing the issue, and then navigate to its availability settings. Here, you can adjust the availability parameters to remove the block days. Again, save your changes. For calendar syncing issues, you'll need to review your external calendar settings. Check for any events marked as busy that might be blocking time in Acuity. If you find any, either change the event status to available or adjust your Acuity calendar sync settings to ignore those events. And finally, for days off settings, go back to the main availability section. Look for the Days Off tab. Here you'll see a list of your scheduled days off. Find the day you want to unblock and either delete it from the list or edit it to remove the block. Now, here are a few pro tips to avoid accidentally blocking days in the future. First, be mindful of your recurring availability settings. Double-check them regularly to ensure they accurately reflect your current schedule. Second, use the preview feature in Acuity to see how your calendar appears to clients. This allows you to catch any unexpected blocks before they impact your bookings. Third, if you're syncing your Acuity calendar with an external calendar, review your sync settings carefully. Consider creating a separate calendar for personal events to avoid inadvertently blocking time in Acuity. Fourth, utilize the Notes feature in Acuity to document any changes you make to your availability settings. This can help you keep track of your adjustments and avoid confusion later on. Fifth, take advantage of Acuity's mobile app. It allows you to manage your availability on the go, making it easier to unblock days or make adjustments as needed. Sixth, if you're still unsure or facing persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Acuity's customer support. They're there to help you navigate the platform and resolve any scheduling challenges you might encounter. And finally, remember to regularly review your calendar. Make it a habit to check your availability at least once a week to ensure everything is in order. This proactive approach can help you prevent blocked days and maintain a smooth booking process. Unblocking days on Acuity is a simple process once you understand the underlying settings. By following these steps and implementing these pro tips, you can regain control of your schedule and maximize your booking potential. Remember, your calendar is the gateway to your business. Keeping it open and accessible is crucial for attracting and retaining clients. Don't let those grayed-out days hold you back any longer. Get in there, unblock those dates, and watch your bookings soar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.